The 25th edition of Gulf Manufacturing is just around the corner. The exhibition will be held in Dubai, as usual, from the 4th of November until the 6th. It will be a great occasion to showcase a wide range of innovative solutions for the food processing and the packaging. This is why the Italian company Cama Group, specialized in secondary packaging for the food and non-food industry, will exhibit as usual their solution, but mainly a specific new. It's a pleasure to have with us Mr. Ahmed Mohammad, MENA Vice President of Sales of Cama Group. Ahmed, what are the challenges of the MENA market?
Yes, one of the main challenging is the climatic conditions. We know that in the Middle East, we have a very hard climatic conditions. Therefore, the machinery of Cama, they are available with high performance and they are a robust machinery. So this enhance this situation for the reliability, which is very critical, and for the downtime directly impact the supply chain performance.
And what do MENA customers want from their machines?
We have 3 main points. The first one is the efficiency and flexibility. The second point, that the machine can handle multiple SKUs with fast changeover. The third point is to have a compact design. All 3 points are focused in our Cama machinery.
And what do MENA customers want from their machine suppliers instead?
This is nice questions. Thank you so much for this. What Middle East customer need from the suppliers is the strong partnerships with local presence, response for the support and training capabilities. We know that being valuable in the post installation and providing a proactive service and maintenance is essential in the Middle East. And this is what Cama is doing now in the Middle East.
Ahmed, and what we can say relating the technology you will display at Gulf Manufacturing?
This question is a very nice question. We know that at this year, we will focus in our advanced robotic packaging lines with high speed, flexibility, and precision. We know that, and everybody knows in the market, that Cama machinery support the Industry 4.0 integration, which is offering intelligent diagnostic, real-time performance monitoring, and remote assistance. That's why let me say that in our machinery, modularity and scalability are a key for our machinery and for our systems.
Ahmed, what are the main needs of the customers of the MENA region? What they want?
What Middle East customers likes is the monoblock machine, what we call it IF series integrated robotic loading units, because it's a small machine, very fast machine, modular machine, includes inside 3 units, forming units of the cartons, loading units of the product inside the cartons, closing unit in the same modular unit. So this is an added value for Cama machinery in the Middle East. In the meantime, we know that our machinery has the BTG, bit generation secondary packaging platform. So those solutions that Cama adopts, it's combined robotic precision with modular design.
So thank you so much to Ahmed Mohammad and to Cama Group. The appointment will be at Gulf Manufacturing 2025.
Thanks to you for this nice interview, and I would like to invite everybody to come to meet me personally in the Gulfood exhibition in Dubai. And we will show a special machine, and this will be a surprise for everybody in Dubai. See you soon. Ciao, ciao. Thank you.